Well guys, my beginning video did not turn out so hot. Something got messed up in the clip whenever I recorded it. But you just saw the time lapse of this printing. This is a skull from, I believe it's called the Dark Crystal. And I forget what the character is called from it. But this is just one part of it. I'm printing this for my niece. No, I think that's my great niece. Yes, see, it's my niece's daughter. Yeah, my great niece back in Colorado named Cassy. She's doing this cosplay project for a convention coming up. At least I hope it's still coming up. With everything that's going on in the world today, I don't know what's being canceled or what's going on, but let's just hope everything goes to plan. Anyway, she asked me if I could go ahead and print out some models for her. This was one of them. I'm asking for a little bit of help from a couple of my friends. Calvin is printing up something down in SoCal right now that we're going to be shipping to her. Along with, I believe, Jeff from the Print 3D channel. He will be hopefully helping me out with some of the swords on it because he's got a huge printer. Which, as they put their videos out, I'll put a link to it up in the corner there, and also down in the video description as well. I'm hoping Cassy will also record the process of her finishing the model out. All I'm doing is just a rough printing. And this is pretty rough, but as long as it took, I kind of hate to print it over again, trying to keep the splits from coming back into it. Talked with her about it, and she believes, along with Calvin, they both believe that can be all filled in with body filler as far as the little cracks go. Let's see if I can get up there closer. I'm not sure exactly what caused it. It's not all the way through. It's just from there to there. And the same way over here on the eyebrow on this side. But all in all, it came out all right. Definitely you can see some layer lines because this is the printer's got the 0.8 millimeter nozzle on it. And needs a little bit of cleanup, getting these little... This would be considered a wisp on any other nozzle. But on that one, it turns out to be a pretty good one. Still need to clean off the support material. The lower jaw, I already took off most of the support material off of it. I actually cleaned up fairly decent. Teeth need a little bit of work. Not bad. That should sand down fairly easy, and then if she goes over it with a little bit of filler, it should turn out pretty nice. Anyway, that's going to be my contribution on this part. I got another one I need to find out which ones the other guys aren't printing, so I can start printing those. It'll all kind of go up one video at a time, like I said, between my channel and their channels. And if I can get Cassy to show us how the finished product comes out, that would be awesome too. Let's see if we can get her involved in this as far as making a video. And yeah, that's what I've been up to lately. Anyway guys, thank you very much for watching. Take care of yourselves. For goodness sake, be very safe. This has been a real trying time for everybody, I believe, and we'll get through it. I believe we all will get through it. Guys, just take care, and I'll catch you in the next one.